Okay, we are on WhatsApp. This is mine here. I can see it. I can see the instructions here. So let's follow the instructions. I'm going to put this on my second screen. So I think you have your phone, you can use it there. Okay. The first instruction, create a new repository named Skyline Tech. So this is the repository I'm creating, Skyline Tech. I'm going to copy this name and just put here. And I'm not going to make it private. Let me leave it on public, and I'm going to add a readme for sure and create. Let's just rush this so that we can finish on time before learning. Now I've created the main
Copy and put.
What?
Copy and put.
I didn't hear you.
Like you copy it and you place it out.
Under
Public.
description.
The description.
No, description, you have to write something there. So I just decided to write this thing there. Okay. The second one, create 3 branches, table 1, table 2, and table 3. Now, what I wanted to ask is, this instruction we are following. If we create 3 branches, now main branch will still be there, and nothing will be there. As in, the only thing we'll have on main branch is readme, right?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure. So I'm creating a branch. We come to view all branches, then new branch. Table 1. Create. Okay, that's created. I go back to my repository. Okay, you can see that table 1 is here. I come to view, new branch, table 2, and I take create, and I'm going to create another one again, which is table 3. Now these branches I'm creating at this point will have readme inside, and the readme will be the same content that I created in the main, because anytime I create a branch, it branches from main. So if you look at
Mr. Terence.
Yes.
Mr. Terence.
Yeah,
the default branch we have. I said the default branch that we have as main. Will it be included as one of the branches as we have table 1, table 2, 3, and the main? Will it be affected as well?
He said that's why I asked that question in the beginning. He said create 3 branches, table 1, table 2, and table 3.
We also have main as the default.
So this default branch now, he didn't say we should rename it to table 1, then create 2 other branches. Do you understand
The
me?
thing is that some of the instructions they give, they are not clear. The
That's what I'm
instructions are
saying.
not always clear.
The instructions are not always clear. There are some things that are skipping. Now, if we go ahead and rename this one to table 1, then create other 2 for table 2 and table 3, maybe you come and tell us that this is not what he asked. So, which one are we going for? Are we renaming this first branch to table 1 and use it as table 1, or we should create 3 branches as it is on the manual? Create 3 branches, table 1, 2, and 3.
Can we rename the default branch main to the table 1?
It can be renamed. It can be renamed.
Then let's do it that way.
But it's not stated that we should rename. He's saying create 3 branches. That is my challenge.
Yeah, Mr. Terence.
Yes.
Sometimes Skyline would be saying something else, and within himself he meant something else, because just from there's no way he will ask us. This is my own thinking. He will ask us to create 3 branches, then those branches will have content in it, while the main default branch will be empty. For me, it doesn't make sense.
I also thought of that. That's why I initially brought it to us. But now, which one are we going for? Because
I am thinking
he stated clearly create 3 branches. He stated it create 3 branches.
Okay, let's go ahead, Mr. Terence. Since he said each of the table will be in each branch, let's just rename the first branch.
Okay. Okay.
Because we we also know that the AI that we use in storing us, we only access only table one, table two, and table three. There's anything like
Table
That
the
three.
main or
that
the
Yeah.
that
fourth
that
branch.
that
That will be an
that
issue
stupid
or
AI.
glitch. So
That stupid AI. That mumu AI that doesn't have sense.
Okay, let me see if we can rename from GitHub.
Yeah, I'm trying to rename from GitHub.
I can rename from terminal, but I want to see from GitHub. So on the okay, just go to settings. I think you see it there. Okay, this is it. I can now rename it to
table one.
table one. Well, now table one already exists.
Yeah, I had to change my table 1 to table 5 so I can just
So that you
rename
can,
table
yes.
1.
So let me go
Then
and do
let
that. Let me go and do that now. Or I can just delete that branch of table one. This is table one. Let me see. Okay, this is my table one. I want to rename. I want to delete that branch. Table one. Okay, I've deleted table one. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my settings on main, and I'm going to see rename here. I rename it to table one. Rename.
okay.
There is not the I be that.
No, no. Okay, the default branch has been renamed. Main is now table one. Okay, okay, that's fine. That's fine. So if you check, what we have now is table one, two, and three. So let's go back to the manual. Step two: design and create prototypes for the three tables provided in the assignment. Step three: deploy the design tables and their respective branches. So let's go to table one. First of all, we'll clone it. We'll clone it. Somebody's mic is disturbing. This is our first branch, which is the main. HTTPS, we copy it, and I'm going to go to my terminal. I'll just want to clone it somewhere. So let me go to somewhere which I want to clone that stuff. ls cd desktop. So I'm just going to somewhere which I want to clone it. I have a folder on my desktop somewhere. I think it's where is it? Let me enter obedient text space cd obedient text space ls. Okay, git repos. I think it's git repos. Let me enter cd git repos ls. Okay, it's not this folder, cd dot dot. It's not this folder I want to put it in. I'm still looking for my folder, sorry. Okay, Skyline repos is supposed to, I want to put it here. So cd, all these things I'm doing is just because I'm locating my folder which I want to. Now if you check this folder, I have two repositories here. This is the one we did before, and this is what I used to demonstrate something. So I'm going to delete. I just want to delete this one. I don't want it to disturb us. Remove R, because I know it has some things inside, and enter. Moving. Okay, though, anytime you want to delete a repository, although a repository, they'll warn you. I'm removing right protected repository. I don't know why it's not leaving, but let me see my ls. Okay. Remove minus okay. Okay, it has been removed. Now I have to remove that .git inside first, and this is how you remove the Git from a folder. If your folder is a Git repository and you don't want it to be a Git repository anymore, what you type inside the folder is this. To remove that hidden .git folder which I explained to you before, like this, and this is force removal. So if I clear my screen, sorry, and ls, so this is the only thing we have in our folder. So we are going to start now by cloning the repository we have online, table 1, which is this. So I copy this, I go to my leaf pad, which is notepad in other words, and I paste the repository link. So I'm going to put my token here. Remember, we clone with our token. So let me look for my token. I don't even know where I kept my token.
I'm still on my GitHub, sorry.
You are still on your GitHub?
Yes.
Doing what?
Can we just continue with the recording? Then later we can watch the video.
Yes, that's
but
what
time
I
is
said.
going.
That's what I said. I'm just doing this thing. I'm not waiting. You can now leverage on the recording.
The funny thing is that my PC self is not going to allow me to even. I'm trying to follow up with the assignment, do mine as well, but my PC battery is telling me that I'm joking. So just go on.
This is my token. I've copied my token. I'm going to go to where I have that link I copied to clone. I'm going to paste it there just after the // and I put an @
Sure.
Jesus. Okay, I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to git clone. Control.
So you are pasting it in that. You are throwing it into that app folder, right?
Yes, into this folder where I have all my repositories. Remember, this is the first repository we did. I'm not cloning inside that first repository folder. Like, for example, I'm cloning it on my desktop. For example.
Yeah.
Git clone, and I paste. Enter. Okay. I've cloned it. Let me see ls. Now you can see I have it here. So if I do cd Skyline tech and I do ls, I'll see the readme. Let me do git branch. Now what we have here is just the table 1 which I cloned. But now if we work on this table 1 now, anytime we branch to table 2 and table 3, it will have all the contents we've worked on. So from here at this point, we have to do the git branch. You understand? We have to do the git branch now to branch table 1, to branch to table 2, and also branch to table 3. We have to create the branches here also before we start working on this. So let's do git checkout -b table 2. Well, if I use git checkout table 2, it's going to create the branch. But if I use git checkout -b table 2, it's going to create the branch and switch to it. So let me just use this, enter. So switch to a new branch, table 2. So if I do git branch, I'm going to see I have 2 branches here. So let me just do git switch table 1. I'm going back to table 1 before branching to table 3, so that if it's taking any data, it should take all the data from table 1. Git branch. I'm just checking the branches I have and where I am currently. Okay, I'm on current branch table 1 now. So let me do git checkout table 3. It's going to create the branch table 3 and switch to it directly. So that's done. Let me do git branch. It's going to give me 3 tables. Now I'm on table 3. Okay, now I want to start working. Let me go back to table 1 and start creating my table. Git branch, git switch. I'm switching to table 1. And if I do git branch, I'm on table 1 now. You can see the star is there. So let me clear my screen. Now the next option says design and create prototypes for the 3 tables provided in assignment. Okay, I'm going to create prototype. Let me say index. I'm going to create a file, touch index. I'm creating a file, this file using VS Code, using terminal. You can create it using any other thing you like. Table 1.html. This is a table name, right? So if I do ls, I have table 1 there. So I can now use VS Code table 1.html. Code table 1 will just open this code in my VS Code, so you can see it here, and the path is here too. It's telling you where it's located. So I have my templates, my starter template, and I'll put the heading here as table 1, and I'll now have my table, and I can start creating my table. I will need to have my CSS file. I want to close all of this. I don't want to see all of this, so I will have to open this folder normally. Desktop, git something, obedience space, Skyline repositories, this, and open. Okay, so this is the table 1, and I have all of this here. Now let's look at the screenshots that were shared with this. For table 1, I'm on it. I've opened it on my second screen. If you want to see it, this is it. If you want to see it, this is it. So I'm going to put it back on my second screen while recreating this with our names, with our data. So I think you have this already opened on your phone. I'm just going to go to my VS Code. We have table, and we have TR, which we treated yesterday. TR, how many TRs? I'm going to have a TR for the head. And how many of us are here? 15, right?
Yeah, 15.
Sorry. My microphone is muted. I thought I
15,
was,
No
15.
problem. We are
Seven.
15.
Yeah, we are 15.
We are 15 then, plus the table head. That's 16. So TR times 16. I need six table rows for each of the rows, as we spoke about it yesterday. Let me show it for people who don't understand. I'm doing 16 because this is a row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until. So if we have 15 of us, 15 of us will be here plus this additional row. So that's what I'm doing there. If you're not in the class of yesterday, you should endeavor to go and watch it. So inside the first table head, we have table data. And how many table data do we have? 1, 2, 3. Somebody should tell me.
I'm trying to check the this thing.
Somebody should tell me. I've
Not even
seen it, but I
downloaded.
want somebody to contribute.
Why table data? Why not table head?
Sorry, table head. Sorry, table head. It's
Yeah.
still table data, but now we need to make it bold, look different since it's the head. So table head.
The
How many th? Can somebody tell me? If we are following, somebody should say something.
I've been looking for the
Not
assignment
table head.
platform.
I'm trying to get.
I've been looking
the
for the
this thing in my-
instruction. I can't get
Okay.
it.
Give me. Oh, wow.
Anybody that is with the
Not
instruction,
table head. The table data will be under the table head.
no,
he's
Frank,
looking
table
for the
no.
head first. How many head?
Mr. Frank, were you in our class of yesterday?
I was in the class now.
What?
It's
I was in the
Mr. Terrence. Mr. Terrence
Yes,
is 6.
exactly.
6.
Let me bring my screen and show. So this is our table we're working on. This is a th. This is another th. This is another
Okay,
th. This
1,
is th.
2,
This
3,
is th.
4,
This is
5,
th. So we have
6.
6 in total.
Yeah.
So that's what I was basically asking. So I'm going to say th times 6. Th times 6. What is this? It's giving me something like. Okay. So this is it. So inside this th times 6, I'm going to put student
ID.
Student ID. I'm using tab to go to the next line. Student
Okay.
name. Once I
Student
use
name.
tab, it goes to the next. Course.
Then you have
Courses.
courses.
Tab. Pass. Code.
Passcode.
Tab.
Score.
Call. Tab.
And grade.
So if I save this and let's check what it looks like on the browser.
I don't know if you should change the ID exactly how it is on its own, because the D for the ID is lowercase.
ID is always well, I can change it, but ID is always ID, like capital letters. So you can see what we have here. I can change it, but ID is always capital letter. I think he just typed it that way, but ID is supposed to be capital letters always.
Okay.
We have that
Fire
already.
down.
Let's now input the values. So for the second row, let me just give a space after the first row. Second row, I give a space. Third, fourth, fifth. Just want to be giving spaces so that anytime we are on a different row, we know we're on a different row. Okay. So for the second row, what do we have? Table data. Let me just give a space. Table data. How many table data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still 6. It matches the table row. Table data times. Times 6. Enter. So the first one, we need names. So Francis, you sent something concerning
Student ID.
Is he going to be in the order?
concerning
In
our
the
names,
order as it is in our dashboard.
our data. I'm talking about our data information. What we have on our.
Oh my God. I don't know.
He said-
I will leave my mic muted and then I'll be speaking. I will not even realize that my mic is muted. I was saying that everyone has to have the same order of names,
Yeah, that's
the
why.
same order of data.
Yeah, that I'm looking for that data you posted.
I'm looking for it as well. I just want to get it now and then so I can read it so you'll be faster.
You see,
I don't
just
know
So it's
why
highlight
going
it.
to
because I've
be
not
in
used my.
that order now.
You see, just highlight
Yeah,
it.
it has to be in that order.
I'm looking for it too on my WhatsApp chat on my second screen.
Okay, I have seen it.
Please just highlight it.
The
Please
first is
highlight it.
Comment
Bless
on it.
Bless Royal.
Comment on it.
No,
Okay.
No, it's not this.
Really?
okay, Mr. Terrence, go on. Let me go. Let me use my mobile. I was using my PC and it's difficult to. Once I use my phone, I'll find it.
In fact,
Let
let
me
me
use
let
my
me let me
phone.
search. Let me just search my name. I've seen it. I just searched my name. I've seen it. Let me comment on it.
There are two of them, or the one that's on the platform.
Mr. Chijioke, look at this one I sent now. I just commented on it. This way you
Okay, let
can.
me
I even forgot that I even started it. It's on start messages and I was even wasting my time. So I've just gone to
So
start messages.
okay.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Control.
Okay. Okay.
So
On
this
start
ID, student
messages.
ID. I'm just going to put one, right?
Put 001.
One. I put
Person.
the name. Um, course. Full stack. Full stack
Full stack. I think
in
he wrote development in that one. Is it engineering or development? Anyone.
full stack engineering. Passcode. Let me copy.
Passcode. I'll call it for you. Okay,
Passcode
you want
is
to copy it?
No, don't bother. You don't need to copy. I have my
787.
second
What?
screen, so I just slide into
Okay,
it and
okay,
copy.
you're copying from
Yeah.
Okay,
there.
okay.
So I say student ID. Why not put 001? That would be a bit okay. Instead of 1.
You know,
001.
we're trying to model
Yeah.
from this is table.
I mean the ID, student ID.
Okay.
001 will be okay.
That's instead of one, 001.
10001.
No problem. Let's do that.
Then
Okay.
the next one, zero
Well,
zero
if you're
two.
using 001, that means you're counting in hundreds now.
Yes.
Unless you use 01.
Or
If
let's
you're
just use
not
01
100,
so
then
that
use
Okay,
just 0.
01. 01.
01.
hold on. Student ID 01.
Yeah.
Pass score. What's the score? 13%.
Okay, he said we should start from 100. The first one should be
Okay.
100, and the last one 0. Just like that.
Okay. 100. And grade.
The excellent.
Excellent.
Okay, we can use a distinction or excellent anyone.
The 100 is it not percent?
It's excellent now. Leave excellent.
Let me just use excellent first. We can change it later. Okay.
Leave the excellent.
Okay. The second table row is
Sorry, Mr. Terence, the score is it not 100%? Is it not by percentage?
what do we have there? I don't know.
We did not add percentage to
You
it.
just
We
add
did
in
not add
100.
percentage to it.
check now. You should check you
I
have
think
your
we should just.
screenshot there. You have your
We,
screenshot. You have the screenshot now.
yeah,
You can go
it's
to it.
100. There's no
It's just
percentage.
100. What we have differently
Okay.
is there's something here as a tick or something. We will implement that after this. We'll put an image here for maybe a tick. If it's maybe less than 50, you can have an X or something.
Yeah.
Is that a major icon?
It's an icon or image, anyone. So I'm going to the second person is Osla. Sorry, table data
Yes.
times 6 0 to a name, full, I think it's full stack engineering. Let me copy the passcode. Which code can we give it now? Let's give it 95,
Yeah.
and here we give it. What can we give it here?
Excellent still.
Still excellent.
Okay, so the third person is TD times 6, and we have 0, 3. This is Akinwumi Wisdom. This name is too long. Let me just use
Aki wisdom.
Aki Wisdom. The third kind thing. Let me
You know what I keep
say Aki Wisdom.
Or you can just do it at Kinwumi W was
So
you.
let me leave it like this. The two names.
Okay.
Passcode. No, hey. Undo. I'm going to put it here. This should be full stack. I think all of us here are full stack, right?
Yeah, full stack. All are full stack.
Full
We are all full stack students.
Mr.
Yeah.
Is it possible for us to just use Akinwumi wisdom? I think he goes by wisdom more than Wasiu. Thank you.
I used 90 so that some people will not much people will fail, not many people will fail. Excellent.
But just remember that instead from 100 to 0, so somebody must get 0.
Okay,
Somebody
The
must
last
fail.
person
Oh.
must get 0.
This 1995.
Somebody must
The
get
mark
0.
the mark must be going down. Oh.
And I think it's Mr. Frank
It's
that will
going
get
down now.
0.
We are over.
He's going down already by 5% now.
It's going down.
Mr.
People should not try
Mr.
to.
Frank,
5% is too small.
People should not try to
Mr.
shut up
Frank.
with that now.
Who is going to take the 0?
Which kind of is that one now?
You go reach us with prayer first. You go first
You
reach
better
us with
allocate
prayer.
100% to
It's not our
everyone.
fault. It's not our fault. You just happen to be the last name of the.
You better allocate equal scores to everybody. You sure it's 5% now? I be 0%.
If we allocate the equal score,
That is
all
Skyline.
fail the assignment. We all fail the assignment.
Ornamento.
Anyway, the score is being allocated in the order of the names, so whoever comes
Yes.
last gets the 0. Hey, Skyline no go kill person.
Frank, Mr. Frank, don't worry. After the assignment, I will reshuffle the list. Your name will be first, second. So the next assignment you will never, unless Mr. Skyline says we should start off and give 0. Yeah.
It is still excellent, right?
Yes.
We can
Excellent.
maybe after the fourth name after the fourth one we can change to
Now after 70, you go change you.
We can
Yeah.
or let me
maybe
just-
very good.
very
very good.
okay.
Frank, you did the parasem. Now even my name dey last. I mean, the thing say na your name dey last. Now even my name dey number 15. Aye. I swear.
Copy that full stack now.
I'm copying other things, so you will overwrite it. Like now, I'm copying the password.
Okay. This is the other screen. Oh, no, they see here. They are doing things.
Na two screen I get now.
Continue.
See, once I slide on one side, I get another computer for it.
Okay,
A big
okay.
line, a big screen.
That's why I be boss now.
This kind
You
of
guy
boy.
na boss, Jerry.
Mhm.
If you and Skyline go face to face,
TG.
that guy go.
Not all that kind of
He
thing.
go,
No, you
he
want me
go,
to sack me?
he go call you Amu, Amu.
In they put up in front. Talk that one.
Apam,
Yeah,
Apam.
you. Yeah. That's Skyline. And my
That
WhatsApp
guy
is
na
my WhatsApp is giving me sleep. My WhatsApp
real high chief.
is my thing. Don't know why.
Which score am I giving this one again? 75. And very good or what?
I'm very good. Yes, very good.
You do excellent. You need to do distinction now.
I thought about decision, but we just started with excellence, so maybe we should. Or maybe excellence. Because decision is higher than excellent. Maybe the first name will be distinction, and the first and the second distinction, then the excellence.
I've done the first
The
one
first and second
distinction.
name distinction.
Let me do excellent for.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
70.
Wahala for who go get paid. Wahala for who go get fair for your own.
Very poor.
More finally, I think a very good shot. Not bad.
Very, very poor.
You try. You try. Because people get zero na fair you. Na Skyline says zero is fair. So, you go manage.
Why we no use credit?
Credits.
I did not see
I think
blessing.
we
I
will
did not see blessing in this meeting today.
We for use credit
No,
before that very good and all those ones.
We should just use after excellent. I think Chinwoba favor should be credit. Just one. Let's work with one credit.
Why credit one?
Chinwoba favor. She likes to owe, so let her give her credit.
I've not seen blessing today, and she hardly misses.
Yes, Mr. Amopi said he informed us earlier that she said she doesn't have lights, so she won't join.
This one is it still very good or what? Sorry, I'm supposed to use 65.
No, I mean, the
Give
one of
75
75
credit.
only
75
to
credit.
credit.
What?
Who else wants to? Who else?
Give
I mean,
75 credit.
75
Credit.
credit.
That's 65 for, not 75 for.
Which one should be credit?
No, I mean Chinwoba favor.
75.
I mean
Chinwoba favor.
credit is higher and very good.
Okay.
Yeah. Chinwoba favor.
Mr. Maxwell, will you manage credit as well? Do you want to go, or should we leave a very good like that?
But more continue. The most important is to do the assignment.
Credit on.
Yeah.
The most important
This
is
is
to
not
get the
acceptable.
assignment done. Other give me face, you know. I don't affect anything.
Now may you
That's
come
right.
take my zero position. Skyline no dey go church, honestly. You know they fear God. They
That guy
give
call himself. He
person
call himself Antichrist too.
No, he's actually a Christian. He's a Christian. The only thing is,
Not gonna leave
Just-
Skyline. Skyline
No.
and my brother.
The guy called himself an
he's actually a
Antichrist.
Christian.
There was a day he posted
He's a
it.
wrong
He
man.
argued for his
No.
status. So.
Skyline no be Christian. He talk say no be Christian. The same be an
He's
atheist.
a free thinker. He's a free thinker. And there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
He's not a Christian.
Which one
In
is
the
nothing wrong with
talk
free
am.
thinker? What are you thinking?
In the talk am korokoro.
You know that must everybody be a
But-
Christian? What's
but
a Muslim?
he-
What's
If the Bible, he
a
believes in God,
traditionalist?
that's the thing. But we'll just freestyle and shall later we'll talk about that one. Yeah.
That's a story for another day.
I'm recording with my phone. Please, if there's anyone trying to join, someone should help me.
Okay. Let me
Keep
admit.
pressing my.
OC must. I don't admit them.
I try to follow this man. This man they run. No.
No, my PC is not even. It's better.
What I'm
What is
doing,
it?
it's better you just take and look what he's doing, understand him more better than
Yeah.
I want to meet face with you.
Yes. Exactly. My PC battery service is already on top of the matter. It's now 40%. If I wanted to follow up, the battery percentage won't even let me.
Look at do some coffee and they come back.
Okay, now do for 2. Okay, Mr. Thomas, you are number 9.
Yes.
That's good. Okay. I think after number when you get to number 10, you will now the grade will be good. I think from 10 to
No, you
from
don't dey pass already. Oh.
I'm going to use
no, he
good
has
now.
no, that is passcode.
Okay,
That is
okay.
passcode, not okay. You can use good from 10 to 11. Then the others will be pass, and then maybe just one fail, 0. The 0 will be the fail.
Well, I never say my name. Okay.
Imagine that you want to do the assignment and don't get to see your list. I think your name should be number other 10, other
Number
10
11. Number 11.
Yeah,
Number 11.
Yeah,
After I did the 2.
yeah.
I say as village people dey follow person I get like I no blog something until they will come carry am fast. Hey, that's my sister.
Monthly.
I dey make like that dey use system dey go down.
50 is still good, right?
Yes.
50
50,
good
yeah,
now.
50 is good. Definitely.
Good.
Let me say I fail now.
How you carry the fair?
No, your own will be passed. Your own will be passed.
How
Your own will
far?
be passed.
Okay, pass na fail, sha.
Make your boy chow now.
Pass. They will consider
I
you.
know,
They
I
will
know.
say, "That's pass. Go on."
Forty, 45 or 40. Let me give you 40.
Yeah, and this time is really flying. Just notified me that we have about 14 minutes to go for this particular meeting.
If
Okay, we will
the
start.
class ends, I'm going to stop this recording. Then I'll have separate recordings for it. Because if I pause it, it may give me that issue.
Okay.
Is this
That's fine.
what's 40? What's the remark for 40? Fail.
40 is
40.
good.
Let's still give it pass. Let's still give it.
40 no fail, 40 pass.
How many names are remaining?
Na plenty
I
pass.
think
Can I get 40 like
It's
this?
still 4 left.
you're going to skip to maybe 30 because we have just
Yeah.
4 more names left, so that we can count down to 0. Please help. Someone should help us admit the person at the lobby. Someone is at the lobby.
Ozama.
He's promised still with us.
Yeah, I called him yesterday. Okay, I don't. Okay, maybe you hasn't joined the meeting when I explained to the group. I called him yesterday, but um,
What's the
his PC is
what's
spoiled and
30? I'm talking about, are we still going to include his
30.
name here?
Okay, yes, he's definitely still with us. 30 is please, people should help me. I don't want to tell. 30 should be, it should be fair, and I should be amongst those that fail, right?
Me no fail.
30 cannot be passed now. 30 cannot be passed. It has to be fair.
Or is it fail or poor?
No, Paul. It's Paul.
Fa- fail.
Put
Okay,
Paul
Paul. Okay,
first.
yeah. Paul. Yeah, Paul before fail.
So it doesn't matter.
Since I'm not even using my PC, it's better I just turn it off. The battery is just draining for nothing.
And turn it off.
Just looking at.
There's no light though.
Yeah, there's no like that. The gen was turned off over an hour ago, and my battery just wasting. Let me save it to tomorrow. I beg. Maybe that time early in the morning I'll do this assignment.
What's the next score? 20?
20.
20 don't fail.
Um,
20 is fail.
It's
20.
three
Yeah,
names
20.
remaining, so 20.
Yeah, after 20, then we'll have
You
10.
get
Then after
10.
10, we'll have 0. After 10, we'll
20
have
is it
0.
poor or very poor?
Very.
20 not failed, Joe.
20
No,
should be
maybe.
fair, though.
Fail.
30 is very
20
poor.
or 10.
Then the other 2%, I mean 3% can go for.
Which one will be see me after the class?
That has to be Mr. CJ Daniel.
Now me and Frank.
See me after the class.
Now me and
She say,
Frank
"Your own
go
number."
get 10, me I go get 0. So now me and him. No be only me go. Aye.
Primary school
Hello.
days.
Hey, Franco Okonkwo 10.
He's still very poor, right?
That one
Yeah,
na
it should be,
fail.
it should be
Which
no,
kind
fail.
Failed.
10 should be fail. 10 and 0 should be fail.
0
At
will
least
be
make
see
I
me
get neighbor.
after the
Make I
class.
get neighbor.
Frank, no worry, you no go fail this course, yeah? Frank.
Frank go drink coffee. You know even there, yeah. He never finish drinking
He went
coffee.
to take up.
To calm himself down. Hey. Hey, nah, get mine though.
Reverend Father, Reverend Father.
No, I will
Reverend
arrange a
Father,
list after. You'll be on top.
Reverend Father,
Nah,
now
get
I'm mark
mine
something
though.
like this.
Okay, so let's see how it's going to display on our.
After the class.
Hey, nah, get mine though.
Mr. CJ, you have to see Skyline.
See how it's displaying now.
You have to.
I don't see it.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's
Let
good.
me
Okay.
change it before I see you in my dream. See me after the class. I'll come and see you in my dream. Okay, I'm going to create another file now for my CSS. Table 1.css. And I'm going to link it now. link css table1.css and save. So let's do some preliminary styling first. I just like to always put my stuff like this. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Okay, that's done. Let's start now with table. Table T
THTD.
TD to give them border, right? I think I should be doing this
Yes.
side by side, or I think I should be doing this side by side my table like this so that we can
See it in real time.
yes
Unlike it's not Annex real time or
at all.
Annex audio real time.
See, it's passing. I don't want it to pass. It's passing. Anyways, let me leave it here and put it.
Can you? Is it not? Is it possible for you to minimize the screen size for that browser? That browser.
Hey brother, it's possible. It's possible.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine this way. You can leave it this way.
Okay. So this table, this. I'll give it a border. Maybe 1 pixel solid. Let me just give you 1 pixel solid. So you take the default color like this. Before this, I want to give it the table a width. Table width. The width should be width. Mr. Fancy, the class ended.
No, it's still up.
No.
Width of
And
let's
it's
just
still
give it
70 to end any
90% and save. So you can see it looks fine, but I think it's too big. Let's just make it 80% and save.
Yeah.
And we can now give it margin auto to centralize it. Margin auto. So if you look at it, it's fine, but we don't have a caption yet. Remember, caption should be inside the table. Let's not forget. Caption. What's the caption? Let me check.
Table 1.
Kindly help us check because I don't have my PC anymore and I'm recording.
Let me put this on my second
Okay, you don't have the
50
second screen.
I have it.
15 minutes.
I have it. I moved it to my second screen.
15 minutes.
Hold on. Ah, what's happening? I'm looking for.
Okay.
I'm looking for those details, so I can't find them again. Where did I even see it?
Okay, it's
Okay, let me
student.
Okay, I think
The
I've
caption is student exam grade.
I've seen
Student exam grade.
I've seen it. Student
Okay.
exam grade.
Exam grade. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to come here. Caption. Student exam grade.
Grade.
Make Skyline no go consider this thing, no. Okay, so I save. So our caption is there. So what next? I'm looking at the table like this. We don't need all
Is
these.
that supposed to be our caption? No, Mr. Terrence.
Yes,
That's supposed to be our. Is that supposed to be our
that
caption?
is the caption on the sample.
No. It gave notes that note by the caption should contain username and something like passcode
Really?
in the instruction.
Let me check.
Yeah, let's check,
Let
please.
me read the instruction.
Let me read the instruction.
Each table should contain demo content, which should be your board members' information. Scores below 60% should be represented by an X icon, and scores above 70% should be represented by a good icon. Each table caption should include your username and passcode.
Okay, each.
It's not so whose username and passcode will be
Which
used as the
username and
caption
password
now
should we use
because
now?
I don't know. Just pick
You use
anybody.
your own. This is your
Okay.
assignment, so use your own.
Maybe I should use my own.
Okay, yes, it's true.
Yeah, use your
So
own.
it's your own. Yeah.
Everybody will use theirs.
Mr. Monk, you supposed get this 100% like this.
Wait to all the first anybody doing his own score should be 100%. The first score.
Is that
No,
so?
I don't really think. I think we should just follow. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, we should all use
I will
the.
do the assignment too, and I will choose whatever score I want for myself.
Frank, no go read this assignment. No go read am. May no go read this assignment.
So
Go
that's it.
give
Username and
yourself
password. I
100.
can style it later, but for now, let it be like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So my CSS, I'm going to let's collapse it. Let's collapse it. The borders, border collapse.
Collapse.
Save. Let's give it some padding. Let me see what we have. Okay, now I want to see something. Now I want to give it let me see something. Height of say 100 pixels and save. Okay, this I can give it like 80 or 70 pixels and save. Is it too much? It's okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Too much.
Just maximize that browser. Let's confirm because we can only confirm if
text
the
align
browser is.
center and save. Okay, what do you say I should do?
Maximize the browser so we can see
It's
whether the
maximized.
height is.
It's
so-
maximized.
Okay, yeah. Can you make it like 60? I think 60 will be okay.
60.
60 will be smaller.
No, you use 70 and we have that. 60 will be smaller. We just want it to reduce the width.
Okay then.
The table itself, can
think
I
it's-
reduce the width? Maybe 70.
Okay, yes, also reduce that width.
So
The width of the
I think
table.
it's okay now, right?
Yes, perfect.
So
Yes.
from his from what I see, I think he just has
Yeah, good to go. Now it's
border
okay.
bottom. So let's do something.
He just has but
Yes. So let's do something for TD. T no TR for table row. Border should be none. Save. No, it's not going.